Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Already we have learned that calculation must be started from middle white dot, so this is ones or units place. We know that always left side of the units place it's tens place. When we write 10, 1 is in tens place and 0 is in units place. We know that these are lower beads and value of lower bead is 1 each. And these are upper beads, the value of upper bead is 5 each. Here this bead's value is also 1, but it is in tens place and 1 after 0 means it is 10. Here 2 after 0 means it's 20, 30, 40, and here 5 after 0 means it's 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90. So on this road maximum value we get 90. Now I am going to write the value of ones and tens place in the teacher's training book page number 3. In question number 1 and 2, beads has drawn and answer has also given. In question number 1 we can see here one lower bead is there on tens place which value is 1 and 1 after 0 means it is 10. In question number 2, one upper bead is there which value is 5 after 0 means it is 50. Question number 3, one upper bead on tens place which value is 50, 60 and 70. On units place, one upper bead is there which value is 5, so answer is 75. Question number 4, on tens place, one upper bead, one lower bead, so it's 50, 60. And in units place, one lower bead, so answer is 61. Question number 5, it's 50, 60, 70. On units place, it's 5, 6 and 7, so answer is 77. Here we can see answers has given and we have to draw the beads. Here we can see two places are there. This is tens place and this is ones place. Answer is 56. So here on tens place we have to draw one upper bead which value is 50. And ones place 6 means one upper bead and one lower bead. 5, 6. So answer is 56. Question number 2. Answer is 65. So on tens place we have to draw one upper bead and one lower bead which value is 60. And ones place one upper bead which value is 5. So answer is 65. Question number 3. Answer is 99. On tens place we have to draw one upper bead and 4 lower beads which value is 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90. On ones place we have to draw one upper bead and 4 lower beads which value is 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So answer is 99. Question number 4. Answer is 39. So on tens place we have to draw 3 lower beads which value is 30. And on ones place one upper bead which value is 5 and 4 lower bead means 6, 7, 8 and 9. Question number 5. Answer is 27. So on tens place we have to draw 2 lower beads which value is 20. And on ones place one upper bead and 2 lower beads means it's 5, 6 and 7. So answer is 27. While writing in Abacus book, don't use too small pencil. It affects on speed.